If you look at Article 157, and I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, because this again goes to the powers of the DPP. The DPP is empowered in Article 157, clauses 6 and 7, to commence, take over, and drop any criminal charges, except any that are not before a court martial. Yeah, and therefore, the DPP is best placed to respond to this, because the reasons are only known to him.
Yes, the Honorable Junet.
Chair, I didn't want to interrupt the nominee, but also the Constitution says that, I wanted to remind, because we're in a public forum, that the DPP must give reasons for withdrawal to the court, not just to drop them like that. 88. 157.8.
In fact, it doesn't say that. It says that the DPP will not withdraw